Hello everyone, welcome to today's live session. Today we are going to explore two fantastic Craftreat techniques using a quote stencil. This is our Craftreat Think Positive quote stencil, and using a decoupage paper. We are going to choose the decoupage paper of Ethnic India. These techniques are perfect for creating beautiful and personalized home decor pieces. So for saving our time, we just cut off exactly what we require from the decoupage paper. So let's start crafting. So all of the requirements here are MDF board, quote stencil, paints and brushes, decoupage glue, So first it's decoupaging. Prepare the surface. To prepare, brush a thin even layer of decoupage glue on the area where you want to apply your napkin or paper. You can see here that we are applying our glue on the decoupage. Crafted decoupage papers are made with precise that it can be handled by beginners or crafters with ease. Carefully place your decoupage paper over the glued area. Smooth it out gently with your fingers to remove any wrinkles or bubbles. It's coming out very well. You can see yourself. We have stuck the Buddha on the one part of MDF. You can seal it with a glue or a Mod Podge. Now let's move on to the stenciling. Place your quote stencil on the board and secure it with painter's tape to keep it from moving. Using a stencil brush or sponge, Dab the paint gently over the stencil. Make sure to use a minimal amount of paint to avoid bleeding under the stencil. Craftreat decoupage can be done on various surfaces like wood, glass, metal, and even in fabric. This makes it a versatile craft for all sorts of projects. When properly sealed, decoupaged items are quite durable and can withstand a regular use and cleaning. You can see, stenciling is a quick way to add intricate designs and text to your project without spending hours on hand painting. Stencils allow you to create precise and consistent designs, making it easy to replicate patterns and codes perfectly every time. Stenciling is a beginner-friendly technique that doesn't require advanced artistic skills, make it accessible to crafters of all levels. Combining these two techniques, stenciling and decoupaging, can lead to a stunning and personalized decor that you can proudly display or gift to your loved ones. Yes, it's gonna get completed. Let's see the finish. Looks great, right? I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on code stenciling and decoupaging on MDF board. These techniques are so versatile that we can really add a personal touch to your home decor. Thanks for watching today. Let's meet with another video. Bye.